Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create a meeting in a Microsoft Teams application. So what you want to do is just click here on meetings and then go right up corner to this bubble when there is a calendar. Now you're gonna select meeting, company, right? I can go with the all day or have it just like which actually day it's going to happen. I'm going to change like this. And now you can invite participants to this meeting by copying a link or sharing to other apps post creation. So I'm going to create the event. So now I will just have to wait. And now, I'm going to copy the meeting link. And I'm going to you can have meeting options here. Let's wait. Who can bypass the lobby? Who can present? Again, you can edit it. And then we can join, allow. So this is what you can do. And this is pretty much it. So when you're going to copy the link, or you can share the meeting invite with everybody. So I will show you how the meeting invite looks like. And you are going to Teams meeting, and here's the link. And someone is just going to tape it to browser or in application in their Microsoft Teams app. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.